The Sony PlayStation 5, PS5, stands as a pinnacle of gaming technology, blending cutting-edge hardware with innovative features to deliver an immersive gaming experience. Launched in November 2020, the PS5 represents the next generation of gaming consoles, pushing boundaries in terms of performance, graphics, and gameplay. At the heart of the PS5 lies a custom AMD Zen 2 CPU with 8 cores clocked at 3.5 GHz, offering lightning-fast processing power. Complementing this is the custom RDNA 2 GPU with 36 compute units clocked at 2.23 GHz, delivering breathtaking visuals and ray tracing support for lifelike lighting, shadows, and reflections. Together, these components enable gameplay at up to 4K resolution with smooth frame rates, ensuring a seamless and immersive gaming experience. One of the standout features of the PS5 is its ultra-high-speed SSD storage, which significantly reduces loading times and allows for near-instantaneous access to game worlds. This not only enhances gameplay fluidity but also enables developers to create larger, more detailed environments without sacrificing performance. The PS5 also supports expandable storage through compatible NVMe SSDs, providing gamers with ample space for their growing library of titles. The PS5 DualSense controller is another game-changer, featuring advanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers that offer immersive tactile sensations, allowing players to feel the impact of their actions in-game. This heightened sense of immersion is further enhanced by the controller's built-in microphone and speaker, which enable seamless communication with friends and provide additional audio feedback. In terms of backward compatibility, the PS5 supports the vast majority of PS4 games, allowing players to enjoy their existing libraries with improved performance and visual enhancements. Additionally, the PS5 offers a range of multimedia features, including support for 4K Blu-ray playback, streaming services, and social features like SharePlay and Remote Play via the PlayStation mobile app. Overall, the Sony PlayStation 5 sets a new standard for gaming consoles, delivering unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, and innovative features that push the boundaries of interactive entertainment. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the PS5 offers an unrivaled gaming experience that is sure to captivate and delight players for years to come.